Welcome to AOR Motors, where we've just taken into stock this lovely Suzuki Splash. It's not a Japanese import. It came in from the UK a few years ago. It's got nice NCT, cheap road tax. Just over 90,000 miles. Car comes with a 6-month parts and labour warranty. It is very clean, very tidy. I haven't even valeted this car yet. Isn't it lovely? Previous owner had a dash cam, so while the camera itself he brought it with him, otherwise all you have to do is buy one. It's already pre-wired. Automatic, 6-month parts and labour warranty. Boot isn't massive, but you knew that when you decided to watch this video. Really well looked after. Little reflector, cute. Small car, ideal for tight spaces, ideal for someone who doesn't want to carry all their friends. Here at aormotors.ie in the heart of Salbridge. Thank you so much for watching.